For home remedies for cough. Recipe 1. Honey, lemon and ginger tea recipe. Ingredients. 1 chunk of ginger, sliced. 4 cups of water. Juice of half a lemon. Raw honey to taste. Directions. Place sliced ginger in a pot and add 4 cups of water, add cinnamon stick if desired. Bring to a boil and simmer for about 15 minutes. Strain the ingredients. Add the juice of half of 1 lemon. Add raw honey to taste. Take remedy 2 to 3 times daily. Recipe 2. Honey and lemon cough syrup. Ingredients. 3/4 cup of raw honey. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil or your favorite healthy oil. 2 to 3 lemons, can increase or decrease according to taste. Directions. Add honey, lemon, and olive oil to a small pot or saucepan. Heat over very low heat, stirring often. Only heat until thoroughly mixed. Remove from heat and let cool. Pour into a jar with a lid. Store your homemade cough syrup in the refrigerator. Take 1 tablespoon 3 times daily, warming it slightly first is best. Recipe 3. Onion cough syrup recipe. Ingredients. 1 medium onion. Raw honey. Directions. Chop onion. In a glass jar, put the layer of onion in the bottom. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey on top of the onion. Continue to alternate layers of onion and honey, the jar doesn't need to be filled though. Let the onion and honey sit for a few hours. Take a spoonful as needed for coughing. Recipe 4. Pineapple juice cough mixture. Ingredients. 1 cup pineapple juice. Pinch of salt. Pinch of pepper. 1½ tablespoon raw honey. Directions. Combine the pineapple juice in a glass jar, add the other ingredients. Mix well and drink 1/4 cup up to 3 times per day. Prepare any of these recipes to get rid of cough in 3 days. For more home remedies, subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to like, comment and share video.